Hey, I'm currently sick as recording this, so sorry if I sound weird. Anyway, thanks, bye. Okay, so recently I made a working bypass, but that broke, so I created a new one that's better and will work now. So to install it, just open any browser of your choice. I'll be using Chrome in this example, but you can really use anything that supports bookmarks. Okay, so once you've done that, go to this link. It's in the description, so you can always access it from there. And then once you've opened that link, you should see a bunch of stuff, but you can just select it all with Control A. And then if you don't see the bar at the top, press Control Shift B, and then that bar will show. And then once you've selected it all, press Control C, and then right click the bar, click New Page, set the name to whatever you want. I'll be calling it Run Scripts in this example. I'll set the URL to what I just pasted. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can just click Done. I do that just there. And then I'm just gonna skip to the part where I get it on a work.ink. Actually, I want to do like the clap transition, so like. And now we're here. So once you're on this page, you just gotta wait until that's like green. See how it's loading before? It can't be like that. Then click the bookmarklet, select the work.ink bypass, and then click Run Script. And then it'll show this little window. And then it was created by me, and I do this for free, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. But it should be done already, so just click Go to Destination, and it will say like waiting, yeah, processing, and then it'll bring you to the next thing. Okay, so this is the end of the video now, so I don't really have much to tell you, but honestly, I'm not joking, like I know everyone says this, but please subscribe. I want to see that number go up, bro. And like the video, you know, like all that stuff, not the bad word, yep. So have fun doing whatever you're doing that you need to bypass working for. If this video gets unrealistic number, 100 likes, I'll make a website where you don't even need to run the bookmarklet, and you just type in the link, and then it'll automatically give you the thing. Okay, bye, thanks.